Did you know this? Just 2 servings of fish a week can lower your risk of dying from heart disease by up to 30%. Not a new pill, not an expensive medical device. Simply fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Meals you can prepare right at home. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Ethan Greenwell. For more than 20 years, I've worked with older adults across the United States, helping them live longer, healthier lives. And today, I want to share with you one of the simplest, yet most powerful secrets for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish. Omega-3 is not just another nutrient, it's like armor for your heart. Fighting inflammation, keeping your heartbeat steady, and giving you more years of good health. As we age, the body changes in ways that make the heart more vulnerable. Blood vessels stiffen, arteries lose flexibility and clog more easily, and inflammation builds silently, damaging artery walls from the inside. Heart rhythm becomes unstable, raising the risk of stroke or sudden cardiac problems. This is why heart disease remains the leading cause of death in people over 65. But here's the encouraging news. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, help fight back. According to the National Institutes of Health and Harvard University, seniors should make omega-3 a regular part of their diet. Why? Because omega-3 lowers inflammation, supports healthy circulation, and stabilizes the heartbeat. Let's begin with salmon, one of the richest sources of omega-3. Just a 3-ounce, 100-gram serving of salmon gives you over 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA, more than enough for your daily needs. EPA works to reduce inflammation in blood vessels, slowing the buildup of plaque. DHA strengthens heart cell membranes, helping to stabilize your heartbeat and reduce atrial fibrillation risk. And salmon is also full of vitamin D and selenium, nutrients that protect arteries and boost the immune system. A study published in Circulation, the Journal of the American Heart Association, found that people who ate salmon or other fatty fish twice a week had a significantly lower risk of dying from heart disease. My tip, instead of frying, try salmon baked with olive oil and lemon. Delicious, easy, and heart healthy. If salmon is the superstar, sardines are the humble hero. Sardines pack high levels of EPA and DHA despite their small size. They are also loaded with calcium, since you can eat the bones. A big bonus for seniors concerned about osteoporosis. On top of that, sardines provide plenty of vitamin B12, which supports red blood cell production and healthy circulation. A Harvard School of Public Health study found that older adults who ate sardines 2 to 3 times a week had higher levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol. Practical idea. Try canned sardines on whole grain toast or tossed into a fresh salad. It's quick, affordable, and heart-friendly. The third fish I recommend is mackerel. The mackerel is especially high in DHA, which supports brain and heart health. DHA helps stabilize heart rhythm, reducing the risk of arrhythmias in older adults. Mackerel is also rich in coenzyme Q10, a powerful antioxidant that supports energy production in the heart muscle. One study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology reported that seniors supplementing with DHA from mackerel had up to 35% lower risk of irregular heartbeat. My tip, steam or braise mackerel with garlic and ginger. It reduces the fishy smell and adds extra heart-protecting benefits. Beyond eating salmon, sardines, and mackerel, here are a few small habits that can make a big difference. 1. Cut back on red meat. Swap 2 red meat meals each week with fatty fish. It's one of the easiest ways to lower cholesterol. 2. Pair fish with vegetables. Omega-3 plus the soluble fiber in leafy greens make a perfect team for heart health. 3. Cook smart. Choose grilling, baking, or steaming instead of deep frying. 4. Add plant-based omega-3. On days you don't eat fish, sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds into your meals for a small boost. Today we've covered 3 incredible heart protectors. Salmon, rich in EPA and DHA, fighting inflammation and stabilizing the heartbeat. Sardines, small but packed with omega-3, calcium, and vitamin B12. Mackerel, a rhythm protector. Loaded with DHA and coenzyme Q10, all three are backed by science. And both NIH and Harvard recommend seniors make omega-3 a regular part of their diet. So here's my challenge to you this week. Replace just one red meat dinner with baked salmon. It's a small change, but for your heart, it could mean years of extra health and life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe so I can continue sharing practical, science-based tips to keep your heart strong throughout your senior years.